Professor, this is point is the start of the road. At starting of the road, you find it in the fan of a landslide debris. The source of landslide is around 600 meter above the fan. We are at the standing at the toe of the fan, and this is the start point of the project location. Now, if you see, there is a tree, and that tree location beyond 7 meter below, that was the location of the portal. It will be located at the fan of the landslide. So Mr. Imran Beg want to shift the location of the portal towards a yellow color. You see a machine is there. The rock type in this area are almost vertically dipping at the amount of 75 degree to sub-vertical or to 80 degree. So he want to rest his portal to avoid this landslide zone into that particular area of the yellow color machine is there. From there he want to deep cut in that direction, and so he want to rest his portal there. But this area of the landslide is also included in the project part. So he want to remove this debris because the alignment has to be shift inside this, and he need a particular specific solution to stabilize the cutting area, because the location is above there around 8 meter above this, so he have to maintain the gradient in this particular area. So he need a specific economic structure, retaining structure here. And now you can see here the rock types are almost gneissic rocks are there, and micaceous schists are there. Those rocks are there, highly foliated, and the bending moment is very high. If you see, even you can bend it through the hand. And specific rock, you can see these are the specific type of rock. You see, so this is the south portal. So I am moving towards north portal by road, making a full videography of particular this area to you, and I am also collecting the samples from here and readings. Now again you see, after getting these good rocks, we are going to the also a small landslide debris fan area in this area location. So he want to shift his portal here from this tree to here. You see the landslide colluvium material is there, and this is some alluvium is also there, river borne material is also there. If you see, there are some pebbles are also there, but these material are specific to the landslide. Very little bit is river borne material, and in this side you see the Chenab river is there. Now you see the rocks are again micaceous schist and gneissic rocks are in combination. They are dipping like this. This is almost 80-degree dip, and in between you can see these are the joint sets which are intersecting this. The plane is almost subvertical, and these are the low angle joints. These are the main regions of the failure because there are two low angled joints. One is dipping towards hill and one is dipping towards the roadside. So intersection of these joints, you can see, are responsible for the toppling of failure. You can see yeah, we are traveling through road along the alignment. So again you can see why these failures are took place due to the low angle joints intersecting the bedding plane. Now here the rock is gneissic rock. This whole messy band is of gneiss, and some intermediate bands of schistose rocks are there. You see, this is the gneiss. As per the drawing, our alignment of the tunnel is passing through these. If you see, these are two towers of electricity, and our alignment is going from this location. Horizontally, the distance is around 100 meters. Now here you can see the reason of the toppling. The intersection of low angle joints towards river side and the intersection of low angle joints towards hillside, both joints are intersecting the rock in different directions. One is towards the hill and one is towards the valley, and they are cross-cutting the main discontinuous set, and the main discontinuous set is this, and this joint is from dipping towards the, if you see, that joint is dipping towards the river side, and if you see, this joint is dipping towards the hillside. So these both joints intersection are the major reason of the toppling in this particular area. And I hope you can understand why this or toppling has to be done going on in this particular area. And these are the prominent set of three set joints are the prominent set, but some small joints are also there, but they are random joints and they will not affect the instability of the tunnel. Now, if you can see one thing, more interesting thing is that at the elevation of the road, joints are what wedding joints, or you can say the foliation joints are steeply dipping. But if you see in that particular location here, they are now dip, going towards it and folded like that. And there is a discontinuity in this particular location where you can see the vegetation in this line here, the grass. So this is one of the major discontinuity here in this particular area. You see, yes, these joints is also there present there, and it could be the most prominent feature for the toppling of the rocks. Now in particular section you can see this joint and intersecting this joint and the dipping joints is the stophery or layer of the bedding plane. Now we are traversing completely from the start point, and now we are going towards the North Portal area. In between these are the major features of the rocks which you can see in this video. Now this is our turn, and we are going towards the North Portal area. Today I had a meeting with Mr. Imran Beg, and he want to put his portal location in this area. If you see the tree area, and because the level from this level, the portal of the base of the tunnel has to be above 7 meter above. So he want to construct his portal there. In that particular location, he want to construct the portal. And as per the design by the NHADCL, his portal location, if you see, is somewhere here near this SUV. And this is the center line of the tunnel. So he want to shift the location of the particular portal here from this location to that tree location, because of the construction of a new bridge in this gorge. And that was the existing bridge, and he wants to join the proposed bridge in this direction where the tree is there, where my finger is pointed there. So he want to construct the bridge or abutment there, and he want to come through his tunnel from this location and want to go like that. So this is the whole alignment we traverse. Now even you can see here the conditions of the rock at the North Portal. These are nice, and gneissic bends are there. In throughout the alignment, our rocks are vertically to sub-vertically dipping around 75 to 85 degree the dip towards the river side, and the intersection of the three joints, prominent joints are there, and beside these there are some random joints are there. I will took all the reading and get back to you by my geological report. Thank you very much, Professor.